Welcome to Accent Unique. My name is JD Kindred and I'm the founder and one of the teachers here. I'm excited to share about a very important class. It is the small group English conversation course, and it is for anyone who really lacks confidence, one, in speaking English, two, who would like to have a dynamic class with other business professionals, even a variety of different teachers. We have that option. It's really for those who have really big goals to expand into a different market, to be able to speak to English clients. And this is the best and easiest way, the most affordable way to attend one of our courses. So go ahead, make sure you enroll before the deadline. And to access the significant discounts. And all of us and myself really look forward to helping you on your goals to improving your English.